guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Anosha for those who are new here. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm sharing all the cute things. Today I'm styling 3 fall shoe trends: the ankle boot, the ballerina flat, and the loafer. All the shoes are from Dolce Vita, and these are like the it styles for fall. So I'm going to share each shoe trend and how I personally style them. Alright, let's get into it. First is the ankle boot. I feel like you cannot go wrong with an ankle boot. They will never go out of style. I love a good ankle boot because they're a lot easier to wear under pants and trousers. And these ones I love because they're so comfortable. I'm going to try them on. So this is one way I wear them. This is like wide leg pants and a blazer. Throw on a bag. How cute are these? I love the square toe. The heel height is perfect. It gives you a little bit of height, but it's also very comfortable. I'm a fan. I've already worn these so many times this fall, and obviously I'm going to wear them throughout winter. The next trend I've really been loving for fall are loafers. I honestly don't think loafers are going anywhere. Obviously they've been around forever. More for men, but I feel like more and more it's becoming more of a woman's style as well. So I love these because they kind of have like a thick sole. They're super comfortable. I would style it something like this. I love the square toe of them, and I'm just really into this like menswear style. The way people have been styling loafers this season, it makes them more edgy and less preppy. If I were to go out like this, I'd throw on my little sunnies, a little bag, loafers, and I'd call it a day. It's like the perfect easy outfit. Super comfortable, but also very chic. The last trend I want to share is the ballet flat. Honestly, this one took me a little while. It took me a season or two to get into. When they first started coming out and trending, I was like, I don't know how I feel about these. Depending on how you style it, I feel like they're very cute. There's been a lot of different styles that have been coming out that have been catching my eyes, especially these ones, because I love how they're patent leather. I love the square toe. I love the ankle strap. When I saw these, I was like, okay, maybe I can get on board with the ballet trend. How cute are these? I just love them. My sister said that they're giving like little kids dress shoes, but I like them. I don't feel like it's giving me that vibe. Okay, maybe a little bit, but not in a bad way. This is kind of a funkier way to style them. I would just do something really simple too, a blazer and a onesie with them. They look really cute with jeans, but I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun styling these. What do you guys think? Have you hopped on the ballet flats trend yet? It definitely grew on me, I'm not gonna lie. I actually really love them. And that's it, guys. Those are the 3 trends for fall that I've been loving, and I think they'll be here for seasons to come. So I think they're definitely worth an investment and adding them in your closet. I'll link everything I was wearing below, including all my outfit pieces and all the shoes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.